Just had this really great question about ratios. Let's take a look at it. As the exam's tomorrow, it's probably a good idea. Let's look. So it says, in a school, 12 out of 25 of the total number of students are tennis players, 12/25. Write down the ratios for the following. So tennis players to non-tennis players. All right, so you've got 12 out of 25 are tennis players. Yeah. So we know then that there's going to be 13 students are not tennis players. So we could say then that the ratio of tennis players to non-tennis players would be 12 to 13. And that's the ratio of that's tennis players to non-tennis players. And that's how I'd write that. So that's tennis players to non-tennis players. All right, what about non-tennis players to the total number of students? So let's see how many we've got of non-tennis players, or 13 are non-tennis players. So we could say that non-tennis players are 13 students to 25. So this is now non-tennis players to all students. And that would be 13 to 25. So we've got tennis players to non-tennis, tennis players. So the question was, first of all, write down the ratio for the following. Tennis players to non-tennis players. Well, we know that 12 are, and we know therefore 13 can't be, because 12 and 13 makes 25. So we can say that 12 are tennis players and 13 aren't. So the ratio of tennis players to non-tennis, tennis players to non-tennis, tennis players must be 12 to 13. And the ratio of non-tennis players, which we already know are 13, to all other students, or all students, not other students, but all students, including tennis players, are 13 to 25. And that's how I'd express my answer.